In this task, we need to install Docker Community Edition, C stands for, and Docker Compose as well on App Server 2. And then we need to initiate the Docker service. So let's jump in. So Docker is a containerization tool. So if you run before installing it, what you can do, run this command /etc this release. So just to know which version of OS you're using. Set CentOS 9. So Docker C and compose for CentOS stream 9. You can put that, and then you got some suggestions here. Just run these commands to install. So we are using DNF package, so it's gonna update. Then once you do that, then install some core plugins, DNF, and then add a repository to install Docker, and then we can install Docker C, Container.io, all of these tools. Then we can start the service, and just to verify, you can run any container as well, and then you can run -y for to install Docker Compose. Then let's do that. So just go with this one now. Yeah, we run that. So let's run this one. We added repo. Now install. So once you install Docker, we need to do one more thing as well. So I'm gonna show you that as well. So before that, let's start the service. Once you install it, and then run a sample container. So meanwhile, I'll open a new terminal, and I'm gonna connect it to app server 2 with this command. So I'm just passing password with sshpass command. That makes easy for me to, I don't need to enter a password. So I connected. If I come back here, it's still installing. So if we run Docker, okay, it seems it's been installed. If I run Docker run hello world, now I'm gonna get this error. It's basically okay, Docker daemon. Actually, it's running, but it seems some permission issue on that. Let's rerun. Okay, come back here, and okay, now just start the service. Systemctl start Docker. That looks, let's run this one. Come back with that. Yeah, it's been started now. If you rerun this command, now it says earlier it was we are unable to connect to this socket because the service was down Docker, and then we started it. If you run it, you're getting permission denied because you're running it as a normal user, you're not a root user. So you need to add this user to the Docker's group. So let me show you. If you look at this file, you can see Docker group, but there is no user, only Docker itself. So what you can do, just run user mod -ag appending group, and then Docker, and username is Steve. So if you come back here, if you rerun it, it's not gonna work. Just exit it and connect it to again. Now if you run it, Now it works. So we added that Steve to Docker group. So we're done with this. Oh, let's check Docker Compose as well. Docker Compose used to be iPhone, but I don't think so. We don't need iPhone for now. Yeah, it's working. So let's check the task results now. Yeah, this is how you can install Docker and Docker Compose. Thank you so much for watching.